In this video, we are gonna unboxing my robot vacuum cleaner. Let's unboxing, guys. Let's get opening. I should even activate it. How do it, guys? Me try. Okay. Oh, bro, look. We're actually gonna open our new vacuum cleaner. Oh, okay. Yeah, this giant. Give a little box inside. Oh well. Okay, let's try to open this one. Now let's open the second box, guys. Okay. Bro, let's open the second box. Alright, finally. Did I did it? Oh, that's right. Yay! This is so hard to open besides. Yeah. Okay, let's open. And open. And what is this? Oh, we opened the box. I don't. Oh, look! Hey, look, bro. Open it out. Okay, everybody, pull. Oh, huh? What's it? Wait, that's the battery, guys. This is the battery for the vacuum. High circle vacuum. Do you know that I already know the vacuum is already circle? Hey, look, more pieces. Wow. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this. Oh well. This one too. Whoa, I think this is the cable. I think. What are these? How do you do this? Painting. I don't think so. Okay, get about the paintings. Let me get. That's a remote control for the robot. Let's go connect these all together. It comes with the charging thing, the remote, these things I don't know, and the. Okay, I forgot what this is called. And battery filter. There's also a robot that we're about to put on. Wow! We don't need this anymore. Yeah! Okay, first thing first, we need to remove this sticker. Okay, first thing first, we need to take out the remote. Let's put the battery on. Guys. Okay. Okay. Hey, bro. I feel like it's almost the wrong way. What's, guys? Wait. Let's go put the battery on. Try hard. Now let's close the cap. All done. Let's back in. Yeah. Good job, mommy. Let's test it, bro. Watch out. Let's stand with me. Okay. Let's see. Look, guys. Look at me. What is this now? This one. Okay. That's it. Good robot. Yeah, right. That's what it's doing. Guys, one more thing. Guess what? When the robot's done cleaning, it'll go back to the robot station charger thingy station.